Okay, for those of you who voted in that post that I sent, I didn't order a generator. I ordered an awning. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to see if I can do this by myself. Hopefully it's not too hard. And we'll get it open. There's some background noise in parts of the video, so I'll do some voiceovers. But the first step is to thread the awning onto the camper. And to do that, you have to remove this little piece of black rubber that came on the camper. And this video is a lot different than what I'm used to doing. I had obviously help videoing this, and I'm going to show you really if this is possible to install this awning with just one person. Okay, right out of the start gate, I can tell this is not going to be super easy.
You might need to make it into a straight line. Yeah, like bring that over there.
At this point, I can tell this would really be a lot easier with more than one person because you need someone to pull that while the other person on the left is kind of pushing it.
But not forcefully hard, right?
Well, I was stressed out about the dog.
I feel like you need more like leverage. Almost. No, I know. I would definitely help you, but it's kind of, you have to see.
Wait.
I know, imagine doing this in the summer.
At this point, I'm getting really hot and I'm getting frustrated and I'm about to say enough is enough.
Almost. Yay.
After all that, now it's time to set up the support structure. Ancient Chinese secret, eh? Who knows what that commercial's from? Okay, so which one do we start with? Did it say? How do you know which one to start with?
It did not. I would assume the color that doesn't have like the white. And one of the red poles has nothing on the end. So either the white or the one with nothing on the end.
Uh-huh. It didn't say starting. The end pole has a little black plug on it. So that's what goes in first. This is kind of unclear, actually. That'll be the bottom. Let's say this one. Orange to orange. The directions are not exactly, they're clear, but they're not thorough. And nothing's happening. Oh, there we go. Okay. Lord. Color to color. And feed it through. Because I thought I connected them all at one time. And then we reread it, and it said, connect as you go. So see, if this was one piece, that might be kind of difficult. Okay, let's see how far am I? This is hard for one person, like real hard. I don't think I could do this by myself. So, I don't know if I'm going to keep this, because the directions are not clear. And look, I got the pole sticking out. It says that this one with this clamp should be the second to the last, but look at the colors. White, white, yellow, yellow. That doesn't make any sense. So yeah, it sounds good, it looks good. I just don't think this will work. It's too hard. My niece is obviously filming, thank you. She's helping me video and she's helping me put it up, and she just said there's no way I can do this by myself. I mean, these poles, they're not going together really well, and the connection with the poles is really stupid. It's not, how can I explain that, Caroline? I don't even know how to, no, you can keep recording.
It's very weak, I guess. And you'd have to bring the ladder.
But what's the strap is perpendicular to the pole. So see the strap connection, here's the pole. It says to attach the pole to the Velcro. Well,
It's not even a loop, it's just a string of Velcro.
but the loop should be the other way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Not parallel with this. So that's a no. And I'd have to carry a ladder with me. And it was very difficult to pull that through with one person because there's so much tension on it. I mean, this is a great idea. But for like even 1-2 nights, I don't know.
It does keep the sun off, but
It does, but if I'm sitting here and it's 110 degrees at Oliver Lee State Park and the dogs are in there whining, or they're, no way. I mean, I'm hot right now and it's what, 55, 60 degrees? Well, maybe what, 65?
probably 65.
I'm
Still,
sweating and I'm pissed. So,
alternative 2.
alternative 2 video. I gotta figure out what I want. What do you think I should get? Okay, that's a bust. I've looked at the clams. I think that something that is not attached to the camper might be easier. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Bye.